everyone, it's Nicole from Sydney English Teacher and welcome to another tongue twister. Today I've chosen a really difficult one for all of us. It is red lorry, yellow lorry. Lorry is the British English word for a truck, just in case you're wondering. So, red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry, yellow lorry. It's really hard when you say it quickly because it's so easy to confuse the R sound and the L sound. Should we try it together? Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry. I'm having difficulties. Your turn. Well done. Let's try faster and faster. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Well done. Whew, that's a hard one. So practice that one on your own and come back again soon for another tongue twister. Thanks for listening. Bye.